Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. This video will be showing you how I install my crochet braids. As you can see, my hair is blow dried out to be stretched, and before that I washed and treated my hair to prep for braids. Now let's get started. So I'm combing through my hair first to detangle it before I begin setting part foundations. It's good to know beforehand how you want to part your hair, as the way you part your hair and braid it can determine how exactly your curls will fall. Here I will be making a part in the middle of my head from ear to ear, as I usually braid the front of my hair differently from the back. You can also see I have a slight side part instead of a middle part for the front of my hair. Then I section away my hair to keep the parts separated as I braid. This is the braiding pattern with 12 braids in the front, connecting to 5 or 6 in the back. Here's a preview of what I did so far. I worked my way up from the back all the way until the front. I'm not putting that big piece in, so I'm separating it, and now it's frizzy. With this hair, I usually twirl it around on each end to lessen the frizz and get the curl back before installing. I'm going to show you a few times how I crochet the hair pieces in. So first, with the latch open, you go to stick the needle right under the braid. Then, holding the hair with it wrapped around your thumb and pointer finger, attach the center of it onto the hook, close the hook, and pull the hair loop through. Take the hair loop, twist it around, and pull the remaining hair through the loop. Repeat if desired before tightening it. In case I went too fast, I'm showing you a second time, just a bit more closer. So keep your eyes on my hair, honey. You can see I spaced out each installed hair about a finger size worth, because if they are too close, it will be too much hair installed on your head. So this is the finished result before I cut the extra frizz off and I cut a better shape. And I'm already hyped about the results. Because I separated the hair as I went, I basically only used close to 2.5 packs of hair on my head. If you want more full hair, use more, but don't use too many packs. Natural curls, like if you did a perm rod set or a flexi rod set. You like and leave a comment at the bottom, and subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with all the upcoming videos. Thank you.